Marlena and Stanley reach their friend's apartment. In his 10th floor apartment, 36-year-old bank worker Rinus de Haan is about to eat dinner. A screech from his pet cat brings him to his balcony. He's paralyzed by what he sees. The Jumbo is heading straight for his apartment block.
I saw my life go by in a flash from my childhood to that moment. I thought, it's over.
"6:35 p.m. and 42 seconds. El Al 1862 smashes into the 6th floor of the 11-story apartment block.